How to delete TikTok accounts. So here is a full and up-to-date guide on how to delete your TikTok account permanently on iPhone or Android. So let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account which you want to delete. After that, go to your profile section and there tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And from the options available on your screen, tap on the settings and privacy. Now, once in there, tap on the accounts at the top, then tap on the deactivate or delete account. Then simply choose delete account. Now, all you have to do is choose one reason why you want to delete the account and tap on the next option or continue option available at the bottom. Now, once you do so, you will be asked again to delete account confirmation. Check the box and tap on the continue option available there. And lastly, tap on the delete or continue option available to delete your account permanently. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.